IKEA shop with me. I have a very special guest. You want to introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi guys, I'm Catherine June. I make lifestyle videos on YouTube.
And I'm gonna have the link to her channel down below, but today we're going shopping in IKEA, so I hope we find some fun stuff. I've never filmed a shop with me at this location before ever, so let's head inside. Yeah,
let's do it.
Guys, look how good this kitchen is. This is literally set up like an entire studio apartment. If I had somewhere to put these, I would like totally put these in my apartment, but there's like nowhere they could go. Every time I come here, I want to buy this, but I have nowhere to put it. And maybe if it was black, it would look better. It's like 130, I think. 130 if you get it with this little pad, but if you like get it without it, I think it's cheaper. Now they have kind of like a mini version, I guess. Not the same chair, but that's kind of cute, but it's also really tiny. This would be really pretty in an apartment, but not mine because I don't have room for it, but it's like has the glass. Wait, what? Oh, and it just pops open. This is really nice. These new little bookcases are seriously so cute. They're kind of like Restoration Hardware dupes. I really want this one. I was gonna get this instead of the bookshelf that I got. Then I opted not to, and oh, you can lock them. The white one looks good too. This one literally looks exactly like the Restoration Hardware one, minus the handles. So you could totally just like put your own handles on it. And this one's only $300 and the Restoration Hardware one is like $2,000. I made a mistake on my last video and I didn't show you guys where my bookshelf was from. Like I accidentally cut out that IKEA furniture clip. So this is what it is. This is exactly the one I got, $79.99, and it's just your double bookshelf, but they do have the regular one also, which is only $49.99, which is just like one piece. Like this is separate from this side. I love it. It's such good quality. It's like my favorite piece that IKEA has ever done. This is kind of a cute kitchen, but I would prefer to have like everything white. But still cute. Oh, these are new. I've never seen these before. They're little Swedish words. That's so cute, actually. So I need one of these countertops, actually. I don't know if I'm gonna decide today, but I'm making something with it. Oh, here's actual stones. This IKEA has way more than my usual IKEA. Like, look at all of the kitchen appliances and everything. They have refrigerators. Like, what? This is crazy. And then all the different hardware that you can choose. This is literally perfect. The gold and then the black. Wow, and there's like options for the black ones too. Wow, I've never seen this here before. I always go to my IKEA and it's literally not as advanced as the other locations. Wow, this one's kind of cute too with the little white handle. All of these are so good. Guys, this is a new little cart that they have. A utility cart for $24.99. Doesn't really match my stuff, but maybe I could spray paint it. Then they have this one, but this one's kind of expensive, $60. I don't think this is worth $60, but still cute. And then this white one is good, but it's so tall. It's like awkwardly tall compared to the other one. Not sure. I think this would be cute, like a different color. They also have some of this like newer hardware that's really good. I didn't realize that these could also go this way, which is kind of cool for a drawer. So that's an option. You guys will see I hacked these in my video that's coming up, so look out for that. Oh wow, they have all of this hardware. And these are $12.99 for a 2-pack. I was thinking of switching out all the hardware in my bathroom to black and making my bathroom black and gold. So it's good to know that they have like all of these little options here. Wow. These little bins are only $2.79, and they have one with black on the inside. I don't know what I could put in these, but I really like them. So cute. And then they have the green ones. Guys, this is the desk chair that I want. I'm just always confused on if it's gonna fit in my car or not. So that's always the struggle. Also, it's $179, which is kind of a lot, but it's so comfortable. So eventually I will be purchasing this. Mark my words. These are such good bar stools. If I had some sort of bar area, I would definitely get these. They're like super minimal, but they're so good. Just don't have anywhere to actually place them at the moment. Wow. What is this? $60? That could be an option. This is the mirror that I have, guys, the Hobbit. It's literally perfect. It's probably another one of my like IKEA favorites. If you guys want to see a video of like all my IKEA favorites or must-haves I think you should buy, let me know in the comments down below. Ooh, look at this bathroom. It's actually kind of good. I love the mirror in here. I've never seen this before, and it like doesn't have a tag on it. Oh, is it just like a new light bulb they have and they've already always had this? Maybe that's what it is. It looks super cool. I'm in the market for a new desk, and my question is, do I buy one of these IKEA desks or do I DIY my own? So I'm leaning more towards DIYing on my own. I do love the color of this one though. Like, I love the fact that it's not white. It's like a sand. This one I think is too big. Who knows? Probably just end up making my own, because so far, like, this is just too plain to buy. I feel like I could make something super cool. So maybe I'll just get like a plain desk, like something like that one, and then kind of make my own from it. This one's already broken. Whoops. This is such a cute desk chair, but I already know if I sit in it, it's probably so uncomfortable. Yeah, it does not feel nice, but it looks cute. For $89, you get the Alex 9 drawer, but for $99, you get the Alex something with a file cabinet at the bottom, which actually I think is what I need. So I think I'm gonna have to go with this option. This would be so good to put like all your shoes in it, if you had the room for it. Oh, and then here's the leg options. So perhaps I just make my own and like DIY something. These are pretty cool. For 30. Or these for 25. Not sure. I'm gonna be doing like a DIY desk coming soon. I've already decided that I should just make it on my own. You guys, this is the desk that Drew got, and it's seriously so cute. Wow. Like, it's adorable. But I still think I should just make my own. This is literally the cutest IKEA setup I have ever seen. Like, this is so good. All the little hats on the wall and the little fireplace. You guys, look at this bathroom. Stop it right now. This is so cute. It's like a cute little cabin, and they even have like logs of wood. I really wish I didn't live in an apartment and I could make my place look so cute like this. Look at the shower tiles. And this is the dresser that you can DIY. Oh, these are actually cute. These little knit. They're very fall. Wow, I've never seen this before. It's like such a cute little throw. It's kind of like on the thinner side. Wow, that's really nice. Might pick one of those up. These frames almost look like they're reclaimed wood. And the pictures in them are so good, but I have a feeling that they don't actually sell the pictures inside. Like, I would totally want this picture. We'll see when we get down to the marketplace what actually is for sale. I feel like this location has a lot of stuff in it that I don't think is actually for sale. Like, obviously, this dresser, they did this to it. So, questions will be answered when we get down there. Guys, this is literally the DIY I did on my channel. Like, I totally made this pillow and now they copied me and it's in their store. And they added this like weird design, which is so ugly, but seriously, like, I did this on my channel like 6 months ago. That's really funny. I need a mirror like this, but larger, for an entire bathroom makeover I'm doing for my cousin. So I need to find something like this, or where the light comes from the back, but I love this for a bathroom. This would be really cute in someone's entryway, but it's red, and it's also like way shorter than me. But still cute to have like in the front. I guess you could just spray paint it. Looks so good. I haven't seen these in particular before, and they look super real. So that's a good option for some faux greenery. It's $12.99. This just looks so soft and comfortable. It's a bath mat, and it's seriously so good. $14.99. Doesn't really match my bathroom, but a good option if you want white. This is some sort of like limited edition collection with like baskets, pillows. These are cool. They're like almost like a canvas. Everything's like super just wild though. I think this is super cool and unique, but at the same time so interesting. This is probably new for fall. Oh my god, feel it. It's seriously so soft. It's a pillow cover. Wow, those are so nice. But you have to make, I don't know, it might be like a real animal. Oh no, 100% polyester, it's not a real animal. Wow, this is actually so nice for fall. I might get one of these for my bed. So they actually have a matching blanket that's seriously so cozy and so soft, but $60 is kind of a lot for that. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I think I might actually get this one. It's like black and white and different plaids. This one's like the nicest one, and I don't see that they actually have it, which is kind of sad. Oh, they do. It's right here. Yeah, I definitely think I like this one the best. And here, they have all the Turkish patchwork rugs that are seriously so beautiful. Like, this would be perfect in my apartment, but I'm gonna guarantee that it's like super expensive. Yep, this one's $500. But seriously, so perfect. So it looks so good in my apartment. What size is it? 4 by 7, so it's not even that big. Ooh, even this gray one's so pretty. This is the new rug they had, and I definitely wanted to see it in person before I made a decision on it. It's super pretty, and I really love it. I definitely think it would also match the coffee table that I want, that I've been trying to get. So I'm gonna keep this in mind, but wait until I make a decision on my new coffee table before I purchase, but probably gonna go with this one. Since when does IKEA have one of these rugs? And it's $2.99. Okay, that's kind of a lot, but then at the same time not, because these are usually $500. This is so good as well. I think it's so pretty actually. What size is it? Also 5 by 7. Does this mean that they're getting rid of these? Because they already lowered the price. Definitely gonna get one of the small ones for an IKEA hack that I was planning. So good. The lamp that I showed earlier comes in black, and I'm like loving it. Looks so good. Might be an option for when I make over my room. Hey, are these little pumpkins for fall decor? I think they are.
Do they light up, or are they just
Decorative light, battery operated. Oh yeah, it's a little light. It's not that bright though.
Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
I didn't even think you took
like,
on.
okay, look. This is off. And that's on.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like the slightest. Oh, but look at the little leaf lights. Those are kind of cute. But how much are they? $4.99, and they're like little fall leaves. Wow, that's super cute. Little tiny fall leaves. I wish these were white because they're already put together and they're only $55. Oh, these were definitely displays since they have these on them already. There's this one, there's this one, there's this one, and I think there's even a fourth one. Oh, those are cute. The as is section here has so much good stuff. There's desks. There's all this. Ooh, this coffee table is kind of good. Oh wow, those bar stools I just told you guys I liked are literally $59.
When you like pop that. I'm back home now. I had such a fun time shopping with Catherine, so her channel will be linked down below. Be sure to check her out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the post notifications on. I would do a haul for you guys, but I honestly didn't pick up that many things. They're all for future IKEA hacks, so stay tuned for those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!